The CNC industry today requires shorter programming and tuning times to enhance production efficiency and maintain market competitiveness, and to cope with challenges of industry upgrades. Delta's CNC lathe solution adopts the CNC controller NC200 series to control 2-axis servo systems, a spindle servo drive, and a PM spindle motor. Through Delta's DMCnet protocol, it provides high-speed data exchange and precise turning control. The CNC controller NC200 series can also control Delta's AC motor drive that is highly compatible with the IM spindle motors in the market, saving system construction costs and enhancing competitiveness. The NC200 series features high energy savings, high efficiency, and high stability in an embedded hardware design. It is cost-efficient and suitable for single-spindle, single-turret CNC applications. Simplified CNC programming using iconic editing software allows users to output a toolpath for lathe cutting with complete NC codes in 3 simple steps. It saves substantially on required programming time when switching toolpaths. The toolpath preview function is available for operators to ensure the machining process before execution and to minimize production waste. In addition, the MPG simulation function assists tool feeding and turning accuracy to prevent tool crashes and damage to the machine. The NC200 series is manufactured by a fully automated production line to guarantee consistent quality and stability. Delta's CNC lathe solution offers a global service network with professional technical support and excellent service. Delta, your best CNC solution.